Okay, if I were to continue on with some next steps, then I would start to put these lips in. Right now we've just got a line indicating where the lips would go, but you usually have that dip there right in the middle, and so it's like you've got a wide M right there for the top lip. Then for the bottom lip you've got a wide U. Let's go in and start to refine some things. And in most cases, like this one, I'm making this face up, but in most cases I would be actually looking at a face. So my details that I'm putting in would be dictated by the face that I'm looking at. So I'll do another video once where I'll have a picture right here so you can see. I'll try to mimic and match that picture.